Hi friends, welcome to YOLO channel. In today's section, we are going to understand a general topic as future of electrical vehicle, that is e-vehicle. What is e-vehicle? The e-vehicle is a relatively new concept in the world of the automotive industries. Although some companies have based their entire model of cars around being proactive and using electricity. Some also offer hybrid vehicles that work off both electricity and gas. E-vehicles get their power from rechargeable batteries installed inside the car. These batteries are not only used to power the car but also used for functioning of lights and wipers. Electric cars have more batteries than a regular gasoline car. It's the same kind of batteries that are commonly used when they starting up a gasoline engine. The only difference comes in the fact that in the electrical vehicles they have more of them. The electric vehicle include electric cars, electric trains, electric lorries, electric aeroplanes, and electric boats and electrical motorcycle and scooters. So, charging station. A charging station, also called an electrical vehicle charger or electrical vehicle supply equipment, is a piece of equipment that is supplied electrical power for charging plug-in electrical vehicle. Although batteries can only be charged with DC power, most electrical vehicles have an onboard AC to DC converter. In expensive, low public charging station will also provide AC power, known as AC power charging station. To facilitate higher power charging station, which require much larger AC to DC converter and supply directly to the vehicle. Bypassing the vehicle onboard converter, these are known as DC charging stations. Public charging stations are typically found street side or retail shopping centers and government facilities and other parking areas. So what are the advantages of electrical cars or e-vehicles? An electrical vehicle can be a great way for you as a consumer to save lot of money on gas. However, there are so many different reasons why we should invest in electrical car in the modern day of technology. First one, no gas required. Electric car are entirely charged by the electricity you provide, meaning you don't need buy any gas ever again. Electricity is largely less expensive than gasoline. It most people charge their cars in garages, installing a few solar panels that the price can get out ever future, offering saving a power your entire home. So next advantage, more convenient. The electrical vehicle is easy to recharge and best post is you no longer need to run to the fuel station to recharge your car before hitting the road. Even a normal household socket could be used for charging an electrical vehicles. So savings. These cars can be fueled for very low prices and many new cars will offer great incentive for you to get money back from the government for going green. Electrical car can also be a great way to save money in your own life. So next advantage, no emission. The biggest advantage of electrical vehicle, its green credential. Electrical cars are 100% eco-friendly as they are electrically powered engines. It does not exit toxic gases or smoke into the environment as it runs on a clean energy sources. Next advantage, safe to drive. In case of accident occurs, one can expect the airbags to open up and the electricity supply to out from the battery. This can prevent you and other passenger in the car from the serious injuries. Next, low maintenance. Electrical car run electrically powered engines, hence there is no need to lubricate the engines or combustion engine. The ton of maintenance are usually associated with a gas engine, therefore the maintenance cost of these cars has come down. Reduce noise pollution. Electrical car put a curb on noise pollution as they are much quieter. Electrical motors are capable of providing smooth drive with a higher acceleration over long distance. Battery life and cost. Batteries are integral part of electrical vehicle. Most electrical vehicle batteries are lithium one and the cost are improving every year. The full capacity of lithium ion battery cell should be good for 300 to 500 cycle. A good battery would last you up to 10 years. With the improving technology, the cost of these batteries is expected to come down even more. Easy driving. So in the world of automobiles, the electrical cars have simplest driving method. Electrical vehicles have long gear and also don't suffer from the stalling problem as petrol cars do. This effectively eliminates the need to add clutch mechanism to prevent that from happening. You can operate electrical car with just the accelerator pedal, brake pedal and steering wheel. Another really useful feature is regenerative braking. In normal cars, the braking process is a total wastage of kinetic energy that gets released as friction heat. However, in electrical vehicle, the same energy is used to charge the batteries. So, considering the demand for oil will only be going up as the supplies run out. And electrical cars will most likely be the normal mode of transportation in the coming future. Companies like Nissan and Tesla offer great electrical models with an outstanding amount of benefits for people who decided to invest. You will be saving not only yourself but also your family a huge amount of money. Thanking you. If you like this video, please like, give comment, subscribe my video and press the bell icon to get new video updates. Thanking you.